I am trying to connect the Hoco ES71 neckband to my MacBook, so I am turning on the neckband. After turning on Bluetooth, the neckband device is not visible on the. If the Hoco ES71 device is not visible on the MacBook, then make sure that the neckband is connected to another device. If the neckband is connected to another device, then unpair it from there. Now the Hoco ES71 neckband device is visible on the MacBook. Now you can connect the Hoco ES71 to your MacBook. This is how you can pair the Hoco ES71 with the MacBook.